The St. Anne police are still trying to identify the deceased men in Friday's crash in Runaway Bay. As you'll hear in this report, firefighters responded quickly, but the vehicles were already engulfed in flames. This is what's left of the vehicles involved in Friday's deadly crash in an area known as Pear Tree Bottom Runaway Bay in St. Anne. It all unfolded when a tour bus traveling towards Discovery Bay overtook a line of traffic and collided with 3 vehicles traveling in the opposite direction. The vehicles burst into flames on impact.
On our arrival on the scene, we observed 3 motor vehicles on fire: a Toyota Tundra pickup, X6 and Toyota Mark X. Approximately 100 feet from where these 3 vehicles were, a tour bus, a Eiger tour bus, was plunged over in a river. Immediately, we brought into operation 2 medium jets to attack the blaze, and during cooling down operation, we observed 2 charred remains.
Up to news time, the deceased involved in Friday's crash were still not identified. However, TVJ News has been informed that they are not from the parish. The crash led to a major traffic pileup along the roadway, which left many fuming. The incident has also led to renewed calls for motorists to cut their speed.
I would encourage motorists to slow down and use the road in a proper and safe way to avoid these fatal motor vehicle crashes.